Ready, Alan, for the Maharajah Jungle Trek?
Yes, I am ready. Let us
We
go.
move along the very quiet and relaxing trail. Relax and feel the energies of Asia. Do you see the lizard? This is a big one. What is coming? Tigers, frequently encountered in the ruins ahead. These look like bird-like creatures. Maybe they are swans. What do you think? In here, there is a very big bat with an H. Oh look! We found a cat.
Now it's one in a little house over there.
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Oh, look, the kitty comes when I call. Now we are in the ruins of a prayer tree. Please do not climb the prayer tree. Beautiful ruins. Just relaxing. Apparently, we could stop for a snack right here, but I think we'll continue to go through the prayer flags. Make a prayer. Hello, gorgeous cat. What a beautiful spot you have in the shade today. What a lovely garden. So relaxed here in Asia. Birds. Listen to the birds.
That's a hitchcock.
They're everywhere in here. Hello, birdie. Hello, sweet birdie. Meditating at the fountain. How was that?
That was very nice. We saw the tigers and the birds in the sanctuary. It was very relaxing. Maharajah Jungle Trek.
And now you are one with all of life.
Yes.